Moray Retail Entertainment Centre is actually quite an interesting discussion, because the property developer who owned this site bought it with an existing town planning permit or DA development approval for an entertainment precinct. And he bought it knowing that this, once built, based on the town planning permit that it's got, would be profitable in some way, shape or form. However, when he purchased it, he changed his mind and he wanted to see whether maybe what's another best use for this site that would get him a little bit more bang for his buck, and what could that be? So he explored opportunities into mixed retail and large format retail centres, and that's where I came in, because at the time I was growing a national brand which was a large format retailer, and we met through coincidence, and I said to him, well, look, I can help you transform and change the existing development approval that you've got into a mixed use or a large format retail centre, commercial centre, where you can get large format retailers and their buildings are cheaper to build than an entertainment centre, because as you know, when you go into a movie theatre, there's so many parts to a movie theatre, but to move into a commercial large format retail centre, there's just concrete walls, a metal roof, a concrete floor and all the fixtures and fittings. So it made sense to him when we broke down the feasibility and the costing versus the income return to scrap the old plans, and thus began our relationship working together. So I took that idea from the property developer and the investor to a set of plans, created a mud map, went to council, developed them to a stage where we could submit for approvals. We got all the approvals through. Along the way, we assisted each other in introducing tenants to come to the space, and we managed to find 2 tenants that would take this on. So now the challenge was, how can we build it quickly enough, because both these guys want to be in before Christmas, and that's the next challenge. So what we did is we flew to the site, spent a bit of time walking around, asking questions, looking at local builders, local suppliers, local manufacturers. Cut a long story short, we found the right builder. We put the contract down, we executed the timelines, we knew what the budget was, we knew when the time was for handover, that was critical. So together with the builder and the developer, we managed the process from let's change the concept to wow, it's open before Christmas. And if I could use the developer's words, well, initially, Alistair, I had thoughts about using you. I didn't know who you were, whether you could deliver on your promise. He goes, but I've got to tell you, out of all the properties I've developed, we're talking Gold Coast apartment blocks and multi-million-dollar developments, he goes, this was the easiest and the quickest build I've ever witnessed. In fact, I've only had 6 coffees with you on site, and that was it. So that was a great testament from someone enforcing the fact that we do promise to deliver on time and on budget, and in fact, we always do. But unless you've worked with us, you wouldn't know that. That's the difference.